Homeostasis refers to the maintenance of a stable internal environment in the body despite changes in external conditions. To restore homeostasis quickly, you can try the following tips. Drink water. Dehydration can disrupt homeostasis, so make sure to drink enough water to stay hydrated. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet that contains a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats can help maintain homeostasis in the body. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for the body to restore and maintain homeostasis. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help regulate hormones and promote cardiovascular health, both of which are important for maintaining homeostasis. Manage stress. Chronic stress can disrupt homeostasis, so it's important to find ways to manage stress, such as through mindfulness practices, relaxation techniques, or therapy. Avoid drugs and alcohol. Substance abuse can disrupt homeostasis and cause long-term health problems. Stay warm. Extreme temperatures can disrupt homeostasis, so it's important to dress appropriately for the weather and stay warm. It's important to keep in mind that everyone's body is different and may respond differently to different interventions. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about restoring homeostasis.